Alright, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning about the greater than and less than symbols in Java. So let me stretch this out a little bit more so we can do this. So now we're withdrawing money from our bank program. We want to see if we're withdrawing less than what we have available. So Java has relational operators for numeric data types that make Boolean comparisons. These include the less than and greater than, which help us solve our withdrawal problem. So you can basically use the less than and greater than symbols like real life. Now, how do you remember which is which? How do you know which one is less than, which one is greater than? Like, for the longest time, I've been confused at this, but in third grade, I figured out a trick. I know, I know it took me until third grade, but I did figure out a trick. Um, if you see the less than here, it's a capital L. Think of it as a slanted capital L, and you'll always see that's a less than sign. And then the greater than, um, it's basically the opposite of it. So I just think of it like that. And another way you can think of it is the arrow keys. So less than is pointing to the left, greater than is pointing to the right. So you can also think of it that way. And that's how the less than trick is what I think of. And then how do you know if it's pointing to the greater thing or the bigger number or the smaller number, right? So how I learned it was the alligator trick. So if the alligator is looking at, like, let's say 10, and then you have 5 on this side, it's going to always eat the bigger number. So that's how you know. And for example, if we have this, so balance is equal to 20K, the amount to withdraw is 5K. So obviously 20K is better than 5 or bigger than 5K. So if you eat the 20K, it will return true because it's greater. It's greater. And you can save the result of a comparison as a Boolean, which you learned about in the it was a while back. It was a few videos back, but I do have a video on that if you need a refresher. It's like a 5-6 minute video, but it really does help if you're lost. And we can also assign this inside, so this can be a boolean. So this would print true, and then for this would print false because you only have $200 and you need $1,000 to buy a laptop. So let's say a Mac. Okay, you need a $1,000 MacBook, but you only have $200 saved up. Then your balance is not greater than the price of buying a new Mac. Therefore, it's false. So now we're gonna get into the practice problems for today. So it says print the expression that checks if the amount of credits you have earned, credits earned, is greater than the number of credits you need to graduate. So it says print, so the system, print line, and it says print the expression that checks if the amount of credits you have earned, so credits earned, is greater than the number of credits you need to graduate. So credits to graduate. Okay, let's run credits Graduate. Did I spell something wrong? Credits earned. Credits to graduate. I spelled everything right. Oh, does it want me to store it into a... I swear, let's see. That is weird. So print line. Oh, I always do this in every video you see me doing this. I always forget the T. Okay, now let's create a variable called credits after seminar that holds the amount of credits earned after taking a seminar, which is worth the credits of seminar credits. Credits after seminar should be the sum of credits earned and credits of seminar. Then print it out. Alright, so we'll do double. We'll do, let's say, credits after seminar is equal to sum of credits earned plus credits of seminar, and then we print it out. System.print line, and then you have the credits after a seminar. Let's try running it. Oh, it says print out whether credits to graduate is less than credits after seminar. Oh, okay. So print out credits to graduate is less than credits after seminar. So essentially it's asking for this. Yeah, let's see. Okay, there we go. So now it should work. Let's see, it should return true. There we go. And then in the next video, I will be teaching you guys the equals and not equals operators, or rather relational operators. So stay tuned for that. Those are a little bit tricky as well, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great one.